This Nykaa Pink Summer Sale was less of I want this but more of I need this. Let me show you what all did I buy in this Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. First up is the K-Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Treasure. This one's got a gorgeous cool undertone. It's the perfect mix of crimson red and the chili red which I have been looking for so long. The next one is the Mars O Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Then I needed a brow brush, so I bought this Angle Brow Brush from Prosh. Next is this V Face Mask. I have already tried this out and it felt really calming. I just wish it was reusable. And the last one is this Loofah and Exfoliating Brush Wand. This is pretty useful and the exfoliating brush is quite dense and sturdy. So that's all I bought. I have added few more in the cart. I'm not sure whether I'm going to buy them or not. Though there are very good deals, I'm still thinking whether I should buy them or not, whether I'll be regretting them later on. So yeah, let me decide. Till then, bye bye.